Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Last warning from Shiba Inu CEO. You were warned before. Shib News. Shiba Inu, the world's second largest dog-inspired meme coin by market capitalization that lives on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token, has been consolidating in the 0.000011 to $0.00001150 area in the last few days. Shib remains constrained to the upside by its 50-day moving average around $0.00001150, while the 21, 100, and 200 DMAs all continue to act as a magnet to the price action. In this video, we will talk about last warning from Shiba Inu CEO. You were warned before. Shib News. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Despite Shib's latest trading volumes trending higher recently, some think it could soon be about to pop higher. According to data sourced from CoinGecko, Shib trading volumes across exchanges hit an impressive $420 million on Wednesday, even before the day ended. That comes after trading volumes neared $600 million on Tuesday, their highest level since mid-March. Since the start of the year, Shib trading volumes have been gradually rising with strong price performance. Shiba Inu is nearly 40% up on the year. Despite the strong performance since the start of the year, Shib is still down around 30% from earlier yearly highs in the $0.000016 area. But Shib broke above the downtrend from this high late last month. If it can break away from its cloud of major moving averages, which continue acting as a drag, and get above support-turned resistance in the mid-$0.000011, it could threaten a retest of these earlier annual highs. The fact that Twitter's logo is a Shiba Inu should be a tailwind. Optimism about upcoming Shiba Inu ecosystem upgrades could also pump optimism. In the coming weeks, you will start to see some real progress on all things Shib the Metaverse. Shiba Inu Metaverse Development Team lead Marcy Castro said in a recent post to Shiba Inu Community's Discord channel, as shared by popular Shiba Inu proponent Lucy on Twitter on Tuesday. Shiba Inu recently released a beta version of Shibarium, its Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution designed to bring down transaction costs and provide a platform for developing a Shiba Inu-specific Web3 ecosystem that still benefits from the underlying security of the Ethereum blockchain's consensus layer. Despite Shib's big pullback from earlier annual highs in the $0.000016 area, major Shib whales appear to be holding onto their tokens and not capitulating. That's according to on-chain data cited by Whale Stats, which shows the number of transactions being conducted by the top 100 Shiba Inu whales has fallen to virtually zero per day since mid-February, having previously been in the 100s. That suggests that sentiment amongst whales remains strong. Whether Shib can 10 times from current levels is a tough ask, at least in the short term. 7 times gains would see Shiba Inu's market cap explode to around $47 billion, and Shib hit new all-time highs in the upper $0.000088 area. 10 times gains would see Shib lose a zero and expand its market cap to above $65 billion. If the U.S. Federal Reserve is about to embark on a big rate-cutting cycle later this year to stave off a U.S. bank crisis/recession, and Shiba Inu developers do continue to give Shib new utility via expanding the scope of the Web3 project's ecosystem, then the cryptocurrency could feasibly see 10 times gains in the next few years. While Shiba Inu continues to fail to break the key resistance level of $0.00001152 on the one-day chart, one of the largest Shib whales is buying the dip. As reported by crypto tracking service Whale Stats, the unknown grand owner of Shiba Inu with the synonym Blue Whale 0073 has continued his buying spree over the last 3 days. Yesterday, Blue Whale 0073 acquired 148.78 billion Shib, worth around $1.65 million in a single transaction. Just a short time earlier, on April 4th, the 254th largest Ethereum whale bought 229.96 billion Shib, worth around $2.58 million, as reported by Whale Stats. The total number of Shiba Inu bought by the whale in the last 72 hours has thus reached the eye-popping number of 378.74 billion Shib, worth $4.23 million. Nevertheless, the buying pressure from the unknown SHIB investor has not been enough to move SHIB upward against the market trends. Nevertheless, Ethereum whales continue to believe in the rising price of SHIB. In their last update at the end of March, Whale Stats reported that SHIB remains the most popular investment, next to stablecoins among ETH whales. Since the inception of Shiba Inu, a request from the SHIB army was made to the founder Ryoshi when SHIB 0.01. This then passed on to Satoshi, and both visionaries knew a time would come to provide exponential SHIB burns in the form of Shibarium. Many are yet to fathom the true vision of Shibarium until it comes to fruition, but Koyo token has provided the first step and indicator of what to expect. Although Koyo token burned over 6.1 billion SHIB tokens in March alone, with a major burn expected in the coming days, it is not the KOY smart contract automated 2% tax SHIB tax burn, but what was mentioned by Kintaro, Koyo founder, in his Medium. So expect billions of dollars in volume, expect millions of dollars in rewards, and in turn expect SHIB burns to be in the millions with continuous burns. Many have asked, how can it even be possible? To bring context, according to the current SHIB market cap of $6,480,338,680 and circulation supply of $589,542,816,415,703 to achieve a target SHIB of $0.01, it would require 99.999% of total SHIB supply to burn, which means 588 trillion SHIB tokens would need to be burned. Based on SHIB current price of $0.0001095, $6,449,038,346 of SHIB value to burn, leaving a circulating supply of 589 trillion, and at the current market cap of $6,452,000,000 would result to $0.01. So, at the outset, to achieve such a colossal target would require much more than the efforts of Koyo token trading and financial service platform, but would require the Ryoshi to Satoshi vision of Shibarium coming to full effect. Now, let's focus on the optimistic outlook of Koyo token. The platform expects to generate billions of dollars in volume. If they were to work off standard transaction fees, plus borrowing fees on perpetual trading platforms, working off $1 billion in dollar trading volume per month, this could equate to over $20 million in Koyo monthly revenue generated. This could result in a conservative $10 million worth of SHIB burned per month. Applying this across the next 12 months would mean $120 million worth of SHIB burned annually, equating to approximately 10,989,000,000,000 SHIB tokens burned every year. We then need to consider Shibarium will SHIB burn 70% of all revenue generated from transaction fees. Considering the volume entering and leaving Koyo trading and financial service platform, and including that Kentaro also confirmed in his Medium, a loyal friend will never conduct in competitive strategies with its trusted alliance Shiba Inu, so we hereby declare Koyo will incorporate SHIBASWAP as the exclusive swap for all trading via the Koyo trading platform and financial services protocol to ensure we add value and volume onto SHIBASWAP Shibarium in, again, allowing the Shiba ecosystem to benefit. This means all swaps on Koyo platform would have an API to SHIBASWAP, meaning all swap benefits stem back to SHIBASWAP, resulting in more volume and more SHIB burns. Now consider Koyo trading platform will be adding other Shibarium projects which meet Satoshi guidelines in that they provide benefits back to the SHIB ecosystem in the form of burns and SHIB Doggy DAO Foundation to the Koyo trading platform, as well VC opportunities. This could result in Shibarium projects receiving gigantic trading volume, substantially increasing the chances for Tier 1 CEX listings. More important, these projects will bring more volume onto Shibarium network, and their ecosystems will add to the SHIB burn pool. Koyo token's mysterious entry and storyline are slowly starting to unravel, a developing Koyo army that pledges its loyalty and allegiance to the SHIB army, and a developing platform set to become a key Shiba Inu ecosystem beneficiary. This means potentially becoming one of the biggest contributors to the SHIB army's long-awaited mission to hit SHIB $0.01. Koyo founder Kentaro speaks of no coincidences. We know of Ryoshi's vision, and Satoshi speaks of when the vision comes together piece by piece in forming the final jigsaw puzzle. Are we finally seeing the unsaid plan coming together to create an artistic masterpiece aligning with the Shiba Inu ecosystem? That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.